Hey kids, let's dive into a magical world of computers and smart robots. OpenAI is like a big, shining lighthouse that shows us the way in this exciting world. This is Alex. Just like you, Alex is curious about all these strange words on the screen. They are part of a special computer language. Suddenly, everything changes. The screen now looks friendly and easy to understand. OpenAI has made everything simple and fun. Inside OpenAI, there are amazing tools. They are like magic wands that help us talk to computers and create cool things. Look at Alex Go. With a few clicks, Alex is like a wizard, making the computer do amazing things. It's all thanks to OpenAI's magic touch. With OpenAI, our wildest dreams can come to life. Imagine thinking of something and then making it real with the help of a computer. Ready to start your own adventure with OpenAI? It's an open invitation to play, learn, and create amazing things. Join us on this fun journey. Let's explore, create, and dream big with OpenAI.